Yo, 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 what up, YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So right now we're going to be talking about the FlyDigi Apex 4. So basically there's some problems going on right now. So I'm going to tell you guys right now what you should not do, and I'm going to help you guys with a fix. So currently right now, if you got the FlyDigi SpaceStation and you got that new update, do not update your FlyDigi SpaceStation to the new version, which is version 3.3.0. I'm sorry, 3.3.2.0.1. Do not update it to you, because now it's going to mess with your firmware. It's going to mess with your trigger locks. It's also going to mess with your screen, so your GIFs is no longer going to be able to upload, and it's no longer going to work on a controller until they actually do an update. I already contacted already talked to Apex already. Actually, I'm sorry, Apex. I already talked to FlyDigi already, so they're aware of the situation. So I gave them some detailed information, basically let them know what's going on. So, and no further ado, let me show you basically what you're gonna do. So basically right now what's been going on is that when people has been updating their own controllers, they get stuck inside a boot loop, which is upgrading. So let me just move my my keyboard out the way. So when you turn on your controller, you get left with this updating, right? No matter what you do to try to get out of here, you could hold the home button, right? You could press the circle button, nothing like that. So there's two ways you can actually get out of here. One is just press the circle button and press X, which is going to take you out of that. So no, you did not brick your controller. Only thing I do is press circle and X for 5 seconds. And there you go. And it's back inside connection. So basically this takes you into X input. If you do circle and A, that puts you in D input. As you can see, like that. And I believe circle and B takes you into, I forgot which one is that. Actually, it doesn't do anything. Let's try circle and Y. Okay, there you go. So flash play, that basically takes you into a flash play like that, as you can see on the screen. So that's basically all you got to do. So if you get stuck inside that loop that it automatically says upgrading, just hit those two buttons. So if you want to put your controller into DFU mode, if you're using an Android controller, you can do two ways. One is just pressing circle and home together, and so. And what you want to do, as you can see right now, it's not going to do anything. If I turn off the controller and I just press it together, now it's in somewhat DFU mode right there. Turn it back off, turn it back on. Now, if I want to go into like a factory DFU mode, you could press start in this. So you can do it like this. Turn off the home button, press it together, and so. That should push, like literally push it in. Then you have another way of actually pressing these two buttons and start and home together. This is actually going to put it into another DFU mode. So you want to just get your thumb here, and turn it on together. And that's it right there. So you're in a DFU mode. So I already played with this on my regular desktop. So basically what happens is when you press the hold the circle button and power it on, it's an unknown driver. But if you press these two and these two like that, what it does is put it into a DFU mode, and you should be able to try to mess with some of the settings like that. All right, I hope this helped you guys. If you got stuck on the upgrading thing on your FlyDigi Apex 4, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy Gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wong.